Hey there, what's going on? Adam Judish here, and I just wanted to quickly welcome you to my YouTube channel. On this channel, what you're going to get are tips, tricks, and trainings on how to build a successful network marketing business. In addition to that, I'm also going to be giving you access to strategies on how to build your network marketing business online through internet marketing. But before you do anything else, what I need you to do is go to the About tab and check out the free access you have to the trainings I have provided on here. But more importantly, what I need you to do is go to the subscribe button and click subscribe because I create videos about 3 to 4 days a week and I want you to have access to those videos. I create videos on prospecting, recruiting, closing, and other strategies as well that are going to help you build a successful network marketing business. Now, if YouTube isn't your favorite way to connect with people, that's cool, no big deal. I've also attached a link to my blog and also my Facebook profile page as well, so you can have free access to more trainings I have provided on there, so feel free to reach out to me. Again, before you go to the About section, check out the free trainings you have over there, and click the subscribe button because I want to make sure that you are up to date. You get the immediate access that I have provided for the high quality training that I put out, and I want to make sure that you don't miss out on the chance to grow your network marketing business. Again, this is Adam Judish. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.